Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a deep clean of my kitchen and I thought I would share it with you. So first off, I'm just starting with the dishes, just washing them up, and then we'll move on to the next thing. So I apparently got a wild hair this day and decided to wipe down my entire backsplash because I haven't done that in a while. I don't know if I actually ever have done that. So I'm going to use the 409 multi-surface spray and just wipe down the whole backsplash as well as the countertops.
Baby, I can make it right. So I'm close to baby. We can talk about it. Made a mistake last night. Baby, I can make it right. So I'm close to baby. We can talk about it. No need to be mad. Great to see you shine. Yes, I know I'm crazy, crazy about you, crazy about your lips. I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know it might be times. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Johnny, can I live it up with you?
My reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. You were supposed to be the one to take every last pain away. Nothing on our loving, maybe time told us that we were different. Did it break you down? Staring at the ceiling, fighting off a feeling. Cause I just don't wanna come down, don't wanna go back to how I used to be. I used to be. Looking past my reflection. Thinking about what you mentioned. Nothing on my life, maybe time to just have a staring at the ceiling, fighting off the feeling. One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down. Don't wanna go back to how I used to be. Staring at the ceiling, fighting off the feeling. One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down. Don't wanna go back to how I used to be.
So next up, I'm just going to be cleaning the outside as well as the inside of the microwave. A good trick to do when you're cleaning your microwave, if you have some buildup inside there, if it's really caked on, is to take a cup and fill it with hot water and even some lemon juice to make it smell nice, and it helps loosen up all the dirt and stuff. Just put it in there for a couple minutes and the steam helps loosen up everything. But I didn't do that today. I just used the 409 spray because my microwave wasn't that bad. So here I'm just going to take all the decor off this table. We don't really sit here as much as I would like, so it gathers a lot of dust. So I'm just going to give it a good wipe down and then put everything back to the way it was.
Made a mistake last night. Maybe I can make it right. Sit down closer, baby. We can talk about it. No need to be mad. Great to see you shine. Guess I know I'm crazy, crazy about you, crazy about your lips. I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know ain't no good times. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you?
And if you can see in the background my son climbing across the couch, he was clearly not listening to me as I was telling him to get down, but you know, mom life.
I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. Darling, can I live it up with you?
So next up, I'm just going to give the kitchen a good vacuum and get it ready to be mopped.
I just wanna. Everybody now. Oh yeah. Stop your feet. I just wanna. Stop your feet. Everybody now. Stop your feet. I just wanna. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no. Stop your feet. Everybody now. Stop your feet. I just wanna. Oh yeah. Oh, stop your feet. Oh no. Everybody now. Your feet. Your feet. Your feet. Your feet. Oh yeah. Everybody now. I just wanna. Everybody now. Oh yeah. Stop your feet. I just wanna. Stop your feet. Everybody now. Stop your feet. I just wanna. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no. Stop your feet. Everybody now. Stop your feet. I just wanna. Oh yeah. Oh, stop your feet. Oh no.
So usually when I mop the floors, I use Palmolive, just the original scent, but I decided to switch it up and go with this Fabuloso. I think it smells so fresh and nice, and it just leaves the house smelling super clean.
Last night, maybe I can make it right. Sit down closer, baby. We can talk about it. No need to be mad. Hate to see you sad. Yes, I know I'm crazy, crazy about you, crazy about you.
I know I'm afraid sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know that it might be tense. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Now can I live it up with you? Made a mistake last night. Maybe I can make it right. Sit down closer, baby. We can talk about it. No need to be mad. Hate to see you sad. Yes, I know I'm crazy, crazy about you, crazy about your lips. I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know I might be tough. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Johnny, can I live it up with you?
So now that everything is all clean, I decided to light this candle. This is Marshmallow Fireside by Bath & Body Works. And I just love the scent. It's one of my favorites. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I hope you subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.